When you're going to record with your phone, you will have the choice of different angles. You will have the close-up, the normal one, and the wide angle. And all of them are giving a different experience. I'm going now to tell you and show you the different type of shots you can do with the different angles of your phone. So if you use the wide angle, and I'm super happy that we have it now in our phones, the wide angle, as the name is saying, is to show the maximum, is to show the volume, right? That's something you want to show in a property. You are selling, of course, the volume of the property as well. So please use the wide angle as much as possible when you want to show the space of the property, when you are moving inside the property, because we have to understand how is it around us. So the wide angle is super important. If you're using the normal angle of the camera, that's the one we always had in our phones, it's still okay, but the experience will be less surprising. I think it has been overused by the fact everyone has it on their phone, right? So if you use it, basically the video will look less cinematic. Personally, I use it less and less. I prefer to use the wide angle or the close-up, but it's still possible. You can still use it when you have very, very big space. Sometimes when the space is too big, the wide angle doesn't help. So the normal angle would be great, I would say, if the space is already very big. And then you will have the choice of the close-up. You know, the one you zoom. This one is super important. Not so many people use it, and I think it's important to use it to bring emotion. When you want to focus on something, when you want to highlight something, you want to use this close-up angle. But you don't want to use it too much. It should be like 3, 4, 5 seconds shot, not long shot and not too many. Maybe 2 or 3 in the video, not more than that. If you want to highlight something, very powerful, and you will bring a lot of emotion.